Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mindauros channel, and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to turn on or turn off filter keys in Windows 11 or Windows 10. A quick info about filter keys is an accessibility option that you can use to control the keyboard, repeat rate, and ignore repeated keys. Alright, so this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa start menu, so right click lang tayo. And then, kailangan mo lang select yung settings. Dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang select yung accessibility. So, click lang natin yan. And then dito sa accessibility, so scroll down at select natin yung interactions. Alright. So, under nito ay kailangan mo lang select yung keyboard. So, click mo lang yan. Dito sa keyboard ay makikita mo kagad dito yung sticky, filter, or toggle keys. So, kung paano ba natin i-turn on or turn off yung filter keys, dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-turn tong button nito. So, click lang natin yan. At naka-turn on na siya. So, set the sensitivity of the keyboard so it can ignore brief or repeated keys stroke. Ayan. So, halimbawa mga kaibigan, so mag-type tayo dito ng word. So, ito siya. So, Windows 11. So, kapag nilong press mo yung backspace, ay hindi kaagad siya madidelete. Okay, so kailangan mo lang one by one. Okay, so once naka-turn on yung filter key, so kapag naka-turn off naman, so turn off natin. And then type tayo dito ng words. And then, long press mo lang yung backspace. And mga kaibigan, so napakabilis siyang mag-delete. So, mas comfortable ako dito mga kaibigan kapag naka-turn off. So, nasa option mo yan kung gusto mong naka-turn on or turn off. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-turn on or turn off ang filter key sa Windows 11 or Windows 10. So please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.